Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily use monday.com for social media and for planning posts. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to enter monday.com, you want to click on add here and then choose from template. Then search all templates and you want to write here social media. And you're going to find social media planner here. Then you're going to click use template. And let's just wait until it loads and then we are going to continue. Now, if you're going to have any questions regards monday.com, what you can do here, ask me down below in the comments, guys, and I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. So how does it work and what you can actually do? So first thing in the social media planner, this is like a folder, is social media plan here. Goal, what do you want to achieve? And here we have a Gantt table, and this Gantt table is literally the same what you see here in social media planner. This is like the dashboard. Then you see the table here and live posts. So this is like a dashboard of the content of everything you will see. So you can just like, act from this, or you can simply go to social media planner, and I want to show you what you can find here. So item, this can be like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. So posting schedule, you see it here, and you can have like the item different. It's like up to you. You can even like month now, or you can have, let's say, to September next month. So I can have like this. Then I can simply have, let's say, this is going to be first day 1. Posting schedule, I can pick here and go with September 1st. Now, then I would post a copy. So you see right here that we're gonna have the copy, and I will have right here which of these you would like. And this is can be like content. If it's it's a mindset, hashtag, this or that, favorite, new ideas, share, puzzle choices. Then a lead can be, you can like add a person here. Image design, let's say this would be, you can like add a picture. So image design would be picture for Instagram, for Facebook, for whatever you have, and you can add it straight here. Then you see that design status can be like add logo, edit brand colors, ready to schedule. You could choose that. Then you can have also the URL here, right, that you would add. Edited image, so this would be like the normal image you would have, like image design. Then you can also edit the labels, and you would add a logo or change the color if someone else is going to work on it. And then you would have the edited image. And now you have the posting here. So you see options to have a Facebook posting status, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Of course, you can have it only on Facebook, right? So you would have like not active. So you would have it, you wouldn't have it here. So you can have like this. And let's say I'm going to have only like scheduled here or published. And now you would have a number here, right? So that's pretty much it, how you can do it and how you can have the social media planning for like monday.com. Now in the calendar you would always find, so this is August and it's September. I can always see what is planned here. So posting schedule. Then I can have calendar. I can have also files that would be all uploaded. Then also timeline here. In timeline you can see clearly what is happening when. So let's say this is quarters. So when I would go to the top right, I can simply have it in weeks or months. So let's say this is, let's go out of it, or days even. See, here is September that you would have it. Now of course you can like change the group content by content category, or if it's going to be design status or Facebook whatever. Then on a Kanban, you would find all the things, let's say, that needs to be done. So I can have a design status, right? Ready to schedule and what is happening, Twitter posting, which are going to be scheduled, and you're always going to find the date here, right? So ready to publish, then you can play around in Kanban too, and this is what you can find here. So you can have also the workload and ready to schedule. This is really great. So these would be all the things that are ready to schedule, and this is filtered by we hide everything, and you have filter only by ready to schedule. So this is something that you want to focus on. This is the good way how you can have it managed. So this is pretty much it, how you can use the social media planner. If you can have any questions regarding this, ask me down below in comments. What you can do also is just simply click add template and have a click marketing, and just choose between, like, let's say, post event opportunities, powerful campaign planning, Facebook ads integration. So if you're going to use ads, then you're going to have also the marketing strategy here with marketing plan, and you get a lot of stuff here that you can use. So that's pretty great. Product single marketing project. So definitely check all the things that you can do in monday.com with marketing and with social media and content production, as like content calendar, content planning. So this is something that you can also use. Content planning is great. And here you have like this month here, next month, new content. And you would have like, let's say, pending review, content, brief, the information, the description, the link to content, time tracking, how much time you working on a content. So this is something that you can do. Or I wanted to show you also, like, let's say you can have the content production, content calendar. So we have the content planning here, and I can have content planning calendar, the Kanban here of the things that I'm working on, team workload, so how much you can actually assign to people, content assets, content dashboard, my tasks. So you're gonna see also the content dashboard here. So these are the two things, like social media planner and content planning, are really great for monday.com as for social media. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye. Social media for monday.com. See ya.